Hello guys, FAB Plug-in for Unreal Engine is out, and today I'm going to show you how to install it and use it easily. So first, open up Epic Games, and inside of Library, click here to install FAB Plug-in. Alright, so installation is done. Now, let me open any project. In the content drawer, click on this button and this will open the window for FAB. You can dock it here to see in full preview. First, let me show you how to access and use your old claimed content of Marketplace. Click here on top left corner, go to My Library. As you can see, everything is available now. Here I want to add this to my project, so select your model and click on Add to Project. As you can see, it's downloading and added to my project. You can also open FAB from Windows menu. Now let me show you how to add something from FAB Marketplace. Here you have the filters for what type of content you are looking for. I want FBX file as well and free too. Here, let me try to add this car in my library. And as you can see, texture are pretty much okay. Now, I did use the model in my project, but as you can see, it's not added to my library. So to add anything to your library, you have to click this Add to Library button. Only then it will appear in my Library tab.